At the outset, friends, let me urge every one of you to please post all your doubts, questions, and queries about the discounted cash flow method of valuation in the chat box. Because today, my aim and objective is that you must be completely at ease when it comes to the use of the discounted cash flow method. So therefore, please take 2-3 minutes, and for next 2-3 minutes write down all the doubts, questions, queries that you may have with regard to the discounted cash flow method. It's going to be my endeavor that before we close the session today, all your doubts, all your questions, all your queries will be answered to your satisfaction, and I can tell you that with so much of confidence. So this is what it is. For next 2-3 minutes, please post all your doubts, all your queries, all your questions on the chat box. So it's all for all of you.